In this video, I will show you how to get free pins in Brawl Stars. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. Now, to go ahead and get free pins in Brawl Stars, the best thing you can do, what I would recommend, is join in this Discord server. And what I will do is put the invite link for this Discord server in the video description down below. Once you come across to this Discord server though, if you come to this menu on the left hand side after joining, and what you want to do is come to the special section and click onto free stuff. Now from here, there's free giveaways that are posted into this server. If you actually scroll towards the top of this server, there's actually a ton of free pins you can currently claim. Now a couple of these are expired, like for example the Ray Mortis pin and the Clown pin. However, you've got the chance at the moment to get the White Spray pin and the Skull Cartoon pin. So all you need to do is click the relevant link to go ahead and claim it. And what it's going to do is basically open up the Brawl Stars website and give you the option to claim reward from here. So you would click on to claim reward. Of course, you want to make sure you do this from a mobile device, and what's going to happen is going to open up the Brawl Stars game and give you the reward. So that is how to get free pins in Brawl Stars. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. As mentioned earlier, I will leave a link for the Discord server in the video description down below. With that being said, if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.